Imagine a car built from a parts bin. Technically it drives, but sit inside it and something doesn't feel right. The steering wheel's too high and the pedals feel unfamiliar. That's what a product feels like when its design system fails. Design systems often fail. Companies spend months in Figma building a component library and an endless PDF. The reason is simple. The designs don't live in code, so developers won't build from it. This means devs are rebuilding the same UI from scratch. And throw your AI into the mix and you can make a mess of things 10 times faster. I'm Alex, a UX designer at SSW, and I'm going to show you how to build a design system your developers actually use, and one that guides your AI agents to better outputs.
Here's the problem. A small UI change shouldn't be a big deal. The brief here is simple. Make a modal more spacious, change a button color. 5 minutes of work, max. Okay? And done. Looks good to me. Except, this isn't the only modal. There are several others just like it, and that one small change now has to be made in every one. What looked like a quick fix is now a refactor across the codebase.
Losing time on the little things isn't strategic, it's a tax. And without a system, you pay it every time. Let me show you with a real example. We worked on a product a while ago that drifted exactly like this. Over a couple years, we'd realized that we accumulated a bunch of different delete buttons, each with a different color, icon, and confirmation pattern. This means that along with multiple designs for a delete button, they all behaved completely differently, causing confusion between actions that were safe and actions that were irreversible. Without a system, this kind of oversight isn't just a one-off bug. It's inevitable, and it leads to a lot of frustration and wasted time. So here's how we fixed it. This is our design system in Storybook. It acts as a single source of truth and a bridge between design and engineering. Every component is built in production code, ready to be imported into any project. Devs can work in parallel or in isolation, pulling the same components from a single shared library. And because our design system is built in Storybook, your AI agents can read it through MCP. Storybook includes a safety net. Like a code review, you can see visual differences on every PR and catch visual regressions before merging. You can even run an accessibility audit across your entire library. With our design system, your AI agent isn't being creative, it's being guided. It's selecting from a finite set of components that have already passed design review, accessibility audits, and code QA. What we've built goes beyond documentation into infrastructure. It lives where your developers live. It's owned, versioned, and tested, just like the rest of your stack, and it's open source. Stop building from the parts bin. Check out our rule on design systems, and if you're interested in building your own, we'd love to talk you through it. This is Alex, and I'll catch you in the next one.